Santa Maria, Inahan ka sa Dios, igampo mo kaming mga makasasala, karon ug sa oras sa among ikamatay. Amen.
Thousands of devotees gathered here at the Basilica Minore del Santo Niño to celebrate the 9th-day novena Mass after the penitential walk with Mary, which marked the beginning of the annual Panagtagbo, or gathering of the Holy Family, which is done every year, 2 days before the Fiesta Señor.
Vibrant, solemn, and meaningful. This is how Catholic faithfuls and devotees of the Blessed Virgin Mary and the Holy Child Jesus started their day as they attended the penitential walk with Mary, the Traslacion and the Panagtagbo, or gathering of the Holy Family in Mandawi City during the 9th-day novena in honor of Señor Santo Niño de Cebu. The solemn dawn procession started at exactly 2 o'clock in the morning on Friday, January 19, at the Archdiocesan Shrine of Our Lady of Guadalupe de Cebu. It was continued at the Fuente Osmeña Circle, wherein the image of Our Lady of Guadalupe converged with a larger group of devotees going to the Basilica Minore del Santo Niño. Upon traversing the almost 3-kilometer route, some devotees were seen carrying with them images of Señor Santo Niño and the Blessed Virgin Mary, while some kids dazzled the streets dressed in Santo Niño garments. Meanwhile, ensuring the safety and security of the attending devotees, hundreds of police personnel were situated at every corner of the streets, manning the yellow caution lanes. Cebu City Mayor Michael Rama and wife Malu Rama also attended this year's Walk with Mary. As soon as the image of the Virgin Mary reached the Basilica, devotees welcomed her while singing a Marian hymn titled O Maria, Reina sa Pilipinas. Reverend Father Aloysius Aluhipan, who celebrated the Eucharist, shared that like Mary, we are called to be disciples of love, a disciple who listens and who is obedient to the will of God, victorious in all trials and difficulties, and an encouragement to strengthen others in faith.
Mga igsuon, maanindot baya kaayo kining pagpadayag o paglarawan sa atong pagtuo nga ang mahal nga Birhen, si Maria Santissima, ang atong inahan, nga atong gisunod o giubanan sa prosesyon, maoy sigurado natong agianan, padulong sa atong Ginoong Hesukristo. After all, we say with confidence, we walk in life to Jesus through Mary.
True to the phrase, Magnet of Love, Jomelin Abalo of Liluan, Cebu, describes the Holy Child Jesus as a bringer of miracles and hopes, giving them their answered prayer, which is her son, Niño Rafael, whom she dressed up as Little Santo Niño for 5 years during Fiesta Señor.
Nagpasalamat ko perfect sa Señor Santo Niño. Kaya ako man siya gipangayon ni Señor Santo Niño. Iyan siyang gihatag. Tamo miracle baby ni siya.
Ay, ano man to miracle baby man siya?
Kuan ko ka na maybe like bansa ko ang adili ko. Pero may kumakuan. So, ngayon ginin ako niya. Last nag-ibig lang ako at sigurata kay katulo na good ko.
Meanwhile, graduating student Roby Ann Magalzo manifested for miracles from Santo Niño as she completed this year's 9-day novena masses for the Fiesta Señor.
Happy kayo kay 9/9 yun ang abuang novena. And happy sa kayo ko kay nabalik na siya to normal from 2020. Nagamay na kagtaong karon kay pulo jud kayo and it makes me really happy. Grabe jud ang pasalamat kay kuan murag year of healing good na ko ana then mga struggles sa life. So murag isa na sa mga rason pasalamat, pasayloan and of course graduating po on. Isa na akong giampo karon.
Authorities reported a crowd estimate of 200,000 who attended the penitential walk with Mary. After the final blessing, the images of the Virgin Mary and the child Jesus were carried to their respective carrozas and proceeded directly for the Traslacion or motorcade going to the National Shrine of St. Joseph in Mandawi City. Along the road of the motorcade, devotees and spectators warmly welcomed the two images. Some of them even brought their own images of the child Jesus and raised them as soon as the pilgrim image passed through them. Some children dressed up as Santo Niño also graced the streets, while students and private companies provided color and festive beads at the designated routes of the Traslacion. At the boundary between Cebu City and Mandawi City, Mayor Jonas Cortez, board member Glenn Soco, together with a priest from the National Shrine of St. Joseph, formally received the two images from Cebu City with Mayor Mike Rama in a red carpet welcome. As soon as the Holy Family was completed, they were then brought to the National Shrine of St. Joseph, wherein a huge flock of Catholic devotees awaited for the arrival of the three images at the entrance of the church, while a series of cultural presentations gave a vibrant mood of the event. When the three images arrived at their final destination, they were then carried down one by one from their carrozas and were then positioned inside the Shrine of St. Joseph. All three images stayed until midnight of Saturday in preparation of the short solemn procession to Lapu-Lapu City for the fluvial procession during the Vesperas of the Fiesta Señor.
This has been Mark Leniel Tabaranza for Sinulog 2024 sa MyTV.